What's up, YouTube? What's up, everybody? What's up, my subscribers? What's up, my new viewers? How are y'all doing today? As you can see by the thumbnail and the title of the video, that this is another haul video that is not human made, but a Uniqlo and a minimal LA haul because I needed some more pants like in rotation, because the one that I had before that I had shot like a while back, I don't even wear those for some odd reason. I just don't. So I was just looking for something more simple and easy for me to put together. So y'all won't be seeing human made content, like big content, for a minute because spring summer 2021 just ended. So there really isn't much for me to buy, but they are restocking a lot of things. So if you missed out, I highly suggest everybody go over to Human Made website and just check it every day, because you may see something that you missed. They restocked on a lot of things, including the backpack that I had, the green one. They restocked and it sold out. So a lot of stuff they've been restocking, just trying to get it out and bring the new things in. So check out the Human Made site. Also follow my boy Futuristic Gears. Dude been dropping some heaters, like some really good content on his Instagram page. So go check out my boy page if you're really into Human Made, because he been posting some things that I don't even know about Human Made, and it's just really interesting and fascinating to see some of the things that he posts. So yeah, check my boy out, Futuristic Gears, on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram as well at mac11.exe. You can find that link down below in the description. Also, please hit that subscribe button if you're new. If you're already subscribed, just hit that like button. It goes a long way. Trust me, it goes a long way. The more people hit that like button, the more I can be seen on YouTube, and the quicker I can get to the goal that I'm trying to get to, so I can offset the price on buying this stuff. Yeah, let's get right to the video. I got like 5 pair of pants. Some are different, some are the same, but I just got some probably in different colorways. But anyway, we're gonna get right to it. So let's start it. All right, so the first pair of pants that I'm gonna show y'all gonna be some sweats. So I needed some more sweats. I already have my Human Made sweats, my Chinatown Market sweats, but I just need like some basic essential sweatpants. So I seen these on Uniqlo for a really good price. I probably put the price up on the screen. I can't remember exactly how much I paid. These sweatpants right here are so comfortable. I put them on the night that I got them. Yeah, I'm telling you, like, the quality of these are really good. It's really soft. And also, on the inside, it has like this, is it called Sherpa? Yeah, like Sherpa material. So like this, I'm telling you, this is very soft, like chinchilla type soft. I don't know about chinchilla type soft, but trust me, this is soft. It's gonna be good on your legs. It's not irritating like some. So the material is made out of 80% cotton, 20% polyester. I'm pretty sure that was gonna be what it was for the materials. But again, I copped these. I'm not gonna wear these during the summer, but I just decided to get some gray sweats. Reason being, for the fall and winter time that's gonna be coming very soon. So I just needed some sweats. I will be buying some more. I'm telling you, these are very soft, very soft. So if y'all looking for like some essential sweats, I highly suggest go to Uniqlo and look at their sweat section, or go to pants and go to sweats and get you some. You will thank me later. I'm telling you, you'll thank me later, because these are just so soft. And these are like just essentials. You could throw on anything with these and just walk out the doors. I got these really for like just if I want to go out somewhere, just make a quick run, throw these on. If I'm just lounging around in the house, throwing these on. So again, you can't go wrong. Fellas, ladies love the gray sweats. If you know, you know. Next. All right, so with that being said, I got these in the size large, the sweatpants. I got them in a large. I was size 32 to 34 in pants. So I was like, let me just get a size large. I can use a drawstring to tighten up if I need to tighten it up. So that's enough information on the sweatpants. All right, so the next piece would also be from Uniqlo. All right, so I had got me some more black slim, like just black jeans. So I had to get me some more, because the ones that I got, I literally wore those into the ground. So I like, let me just re-up on some more black slim fitting jeans. Just something simple. They got like a button to, just got a button to keep it fastened. Also, they got a lace on here to tighten it up even more, so you can keep the pants secured up on your ass. Because trust me, we are too old now to be sagging, because it looks goofy now. Mom, Dad, I'm sorry. I know as a kid in high school I was sagging, and now I see people sagging now, especially with these super tight skinny jeans. It look crazy. But anyway, yeah. Why did I do that in high school? Why did I sag? I look like an idiot with them big ass tees, but it was just the times. But anyway, got me some black jeans. Can't go wrong. Gotta have some black jeans in rotation. I may just get another pair just to be on the safe side. I put these on once, fits perfectly. Also, they stretch. So they got a little bit of give to them, so they won't be too tight on you like on actual, like most jeans are. They just fit you and that's it. They give it, like, there's no give or anything to it. Look out for these if y'all looking for them on Uniqlo. I think I may start going to Uniqlo even more to buy my pants, because they have like a very wide selection. I'm like, okay, I seen some pants on there that I want to get. So next time that I go do another pickup from Uniqlo for some pants, I'm gonna get some different things to try something new, because I just feel like I've just been playing it safe. Like, I want to open up like my wardrobe a little bit more. One minute I can go from just basic streetwear or just throwing something together where you think it don't match, but it matches and it looks good. So I'm just trying to switch it up and stop being like afraid of trying something new. If it don't look right, it just don't look right, but it's still gonna look good regardless. So I'm just trying to open up my pants collection, because I've been watching my boy Jacob Starr, one of my favorite YouTubers. I'm wearing one of his merch shirts right now. I just see his videos and like the pants he pick up and the way he style his pants, just so good, so clean. Jacob Starr, keep picking up the fire pants and put me on game on the, like, your pant collection is retarded. It's just fire. Like, I'm just scared of pants. Like, I don't want to mess up the fit if I don't have the pants right with the rest of the fit, like with a shirt, shoes, hood, whatever. But anyways, enough talking about that. So next, I got another pair for Uniqlo. Let's see. Are these? Yeah. All right, so these would be, I had got another black pair. Yes, I know, but the color that I wanted to get was like a tan, khaki colorway. But I got some chinos though. I got some black chinos, slim chinos, but they ain't really slim. So they have like, they're not baggy, but they're just loose fitting, which I really want to get into, because I've been like watching some of the people that been subscribed to me, follow me on Instagram. I just go to their page and check out their stuff. Like, for instance, my homie Thank Chink, like, I've just been looking at his fits. I'm like, I wonder if I can pull that off. Like, I got the right body size, build. So I want to wear more like loose fitting pants, like towards the ankles a little bit more. And also what I plan on doing with these chino pants, what I want to do, I want to get some scissors and just cut the bottom and give it a little bit more character and flair to the pants. And when I do that, I'm gonna wear like some like longer socks, like these Human Mades right here. So I have a reason to show off my socks. So that's what I'm thinking about moving forward. When I get some chinos, I'll probably just start cutting like the ankle, like the bottom of the, well, yeah, like the ankle part of the pants, and just get my fit a little bit more, little pizzazz to it, you know? So yeah, I had to cop these, and again, I'm just trying to switch up my wardrobe depending on the event, depending on where I'm going. Things like that will dictate what I will be wearing. So that's why I picked up these chinos, because you just never know what kind of spot. I may just never know what spot I may just fall off in for the night. And yeah, my pants may dictate what I wear. So some black chinos, couldn't go wrong with them. So next, that's it for Uniqlo. I picked up 3 pairs of pants from Uniqlo, and I picked up 2 from MNML LA. So the first pair that I got from MNML, which is these olive green cargo pants. I've been in search of some cargo pants for the longest, and I seen in my email, in my newsletters, that MNML they had restocking on these, and I'm like, let me go ahead and get me 2 pair of these. I got this in a black version. Yeah, I got 3 pair of black pants. I don't care, but I'm gonna get some blue jeans my next go around, so don't worry. But I decided to get some olive green, because green is one of my favorite colors. Not just green, I like olive green, forest green. I like the darker type of greens, the more calm, chill, relaxing type color greens, if that makes sense. So I decided to go with this olive green, like this army green. Cargo pants also got a black waistband on it. So waistband pretty stretchy. You can adjust it with these drawstrings. And I got this in a size large. Again, I wear size 32 to size 34. Like in between that, I like to play around with my sizes, because you just never know. Sometimes I go with 33 because it's right there in that sweet spot. So yeah, these are cargo pants I got. I do plan on getting a little bit more of these, because I just like the way the way they're doing cargo pants now. So had to cop these. So I'm gonna show y'all my last pair, and we're gonna wrap this thing on up. All right, so next I got my last pair I'm gonna show to y'all right here, which will be the black pair of cargo pants that I got from Minimal. All right, so again, just like the, okay, I dropped the hanger. So these just like the green cargo pants, but just black, because you can't go wrong with the black. I just decided, I thought these two colors would be perfect to get on the first go around, just to cop some new pants. So again, you cannot go wrong with black because you can basically style black with anything. But I do plan on getting like some blue jeans, not in cargo pants, but I do plan on getting some blue jeans in my next video, whenever that be, I don't know. But yeah, I had to cop these. Very simple, very straight to the point. I just feel like these like some really dope pants I can just throw on if I'm going just out to like probably like the bar or something, going to like a little kickback, things like that. So yeah, I'm happy I got these. I tried these on already and these fit perfect on the ankles. And I have tried my Jordan 1 UNC blues, and man, they stack just right. And y'all will see in the B-roll. Y'all probably already seen it in the B-roll, but I just like the way how these pants feel on my ankles and how they like sit on top of my shoes. So I'll be wearing mostly probably my Jordan with these, my Jordan Royal Toe and my Jordan UNC blues with these, and any other high top shoes with this. Probably even my Converse Carme de Garçons as well with these. I think they'd be perfect. And plus they're red in them with the heart on the Converse. It would help a lot with the contrast on this. So those are the pickups that I got for this week. Again, human made content gonna be kind of sparse moving forward, but I still got some dope content other than human made lined up, ready to go. So y'all just bear with me. Also next, what it is, not this Sunday, but the following Sunday, I don't know if I'm gonna be dropping a video. I'm just giving y'all a heads up. Reason being, I'm going on vacation with my family and I need this vacation. I've been working my ass off since October to now, like 12 hours, 6 days a week. And I really need this vacation. So I may or may not drop a video. I had a video that I'm gonna drop in the middle of this past week, but I haven't got a chance to like edit it yet. So I may drop that next Sunday. So y'all be on the lookout. But anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thank you for all the support and love that y'all been giving me lately. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'm out. Peace.